So here we are at the Serverless Days Belgrade 2019, our first serverless conference here in Belgrade.
Yeah, in the Southeast Europe.
Yeah, great. How did you manage to get this great lineup for people today?
Actually, honestly, they are mostly our friends that we've met during the past course of like 4 years in doing serverless, and most of them, they came because they find the Balkans as a new expanding region, and they find, they want to meet new communities, new markets to embrace, and so forth. And in a sense, they wanted also to hang out also with the people from around here with us, and to enjoy a bit Belgrade and Serbia.
So how did it happen that Serbia is such a great place for serverless? Now we have like the biggest number of serverless heroes per capita. So
no, it's not. The US has the biggest number of heroes per capita, but then it's Serbia. So, well, it's just a matter of we always have pioneers and people who want to embrace new technology and new ways of how to solve business problems, not just business but community problems. So I guess in that same sense, I guess our communities are always looking how to learn and how to expand themselves and how to become better at what they're doing, and I think that was the main thing.
So are you surprised with the number of developers coming today? I mean, this is all new to everyone, and
well, actually, it's not that new. I've actually, when they asked like how many people have deployed some Lambda to production, 80% of the people said they did. So they raised their hand, and which was quite surprising. We expected like maybe half of them, but not 80%, which was really interesting because it shows that serverless has a great potential, and that companies are starting to utilize serverless. Maybe some albeit on some smaller projects, but some of them have huge serverless production systems. So that's quite an interesting thing.
So you see the usage of word serverless is everyone uses it for whatever he wants.
Yeah.
What do you feel serverless is? How do you say? When do you say serverless? Is it just lambdas or?
No, it's everything.
Everything.
So everything fully managed in the AWS ecosystem or other ecosystems, where you don't have to think about infrastructure, you don't have to think about scale, you don't have to think about any kind of hardware or any scalability. You just think about your business logic. In my opinion, that's serverless because you're only focused on delivering business value. You're only focused you're only focused on your customers. You're not focused on specifics, details, or other unimportant things that are not important for customers. When you drive a car, you don't think about how is the wheel made. You're focused on driving the car from point A to point B, or from to your destination, and that's it. So this is why serverless is so successful, because it enables us developers and again the business itself to focus more on the customers, to deliver more value, more features, more functionality, and actually enable our customers to be more successful themselves.
So, what would you say to new developers? How do they start? It's just an amazing. A lot of things to learn now, so
yeah.
It's not so easy. What would be the first step?
So the serverless ecosystem is evolving every day, and the things that I would recommend 3 or 4 years ago have changed to what I would recommend now. Now I would recommend everyone, whether you're a backend developer or a front developer, to start off with AWS Amplify, to start off with AWS CDK, to start off with like writing infrastructure as code using CDK, using Amplify, and what else they want to say? Yeah, SAR, and using SAN. So these are like a few more things, but
like a billion services just to make one simple function.
Well, no, but you're going to use. So basically, CDK. I mean, for example, if you're a front developer, Amplify is going to do everything for you. So you're just going to like write your front end logic, and you just basically through a CLI you add your business, your backend logic, backend business logic, and that's quite simple. But if you're, for example, a backend developer, I recommend using CDK. You write literally 10 lines, and you do CDK build, CDK deploy, and you're done. I mean, it literally takes 5 minutes now to have a running system somewhere which is scalable to hundreds of thousands of users. So which is something we couldn't imagine 10 years ago, literally. And now it's available on literally on a tip of our fingers. So yeah.
So I want to thank you for help for that you're providing to the community. I know that for myself that when I ask you for some help, you were actually very kind and just keep good work.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the interview. Thank you.